Removing the key interlock switch here out of a Dodge Dakota $2,000 pickup. Already pulled my screws out here and turned my steering wheel sideways there, of course. But you get up under here, up on there, and take 3 Torx screws out there. T25. Then you come back around here, and there's 3 of them. You see right up in there where my finger's pointing. There's one there, and one on the opposite side, and one right down here. Just got to pull out. There's T25 security screws there that you'll have to use a special tool to get them out. But it's not all that bad. I've got all these screws out here now. I'm fixing to pull it out of here. You ain't got to have a key in the switch to get it out. Just pull these screws out and unplug your wires. And they are hanging right there right now. And I'm kind of bum puzzling around here a little bit, but maybe you can see the wires hanging there. Just unplug them all the way around. And then get those 3 screws out right up there. You'll see them, they're facing you. And then you just grab that thing, and you get the screws out, get all the wires unplugged, and just grab that thing and pull it out just like that. This is the hole here she came from. If you look, you can see those 3 screw holes. One right there, one here, and one there. Once you pull that out, just unplug these wires right here. You can get them out a little ways there and pull them, or unplug them first, either way. As long as you get them out there, you can. It makes it easy to replace the whole switch, tumbler and all. And this is on a 2000 Dodge Dakota pickup, club cab. It makes for easy removal. And the oil pressure deal on this old truck, I was having low oil pressure like most people with Dodges do. So I got me a gauge here, manual one, hooked it up too just to be sure. But that showed that it was still low. So I went around, and if you've seen one of my other videos, I pulled that oil pan down. You have to raise it up there, get the oil pan out from under it. But once you do, you can get to all those rods. And you can't do the mains, but you can do the rods from the bottom. And so I went and got me a whole set of new rod bearings, 0.25, and put them in there from where this here manufacturer sold me a crankshaft for a standard. So I put bearings in it, and I didn't have no oil pressure, standard bearing. So I went ahead and replaced them with the 0.25s and put that thing back up, cranked it up. Now I'm holding about 50 all the time on my oil pressure. Runs up to 70 when I get up to about 1800 RPM on this gauge down here, this manual gauge, and the gauge is in the dash. They both have good oil pressure now. So that about sums it up. I just wanted to show you a quick thing here. I was fixing to put me a new key switch back in here because I got out after taking this thing for a drive, put that single key in my pocket. That's all I had with it, and lost it. So they say you have to have that key to remove it. But if you come along and take these screws out right here, after pulling this cover down right here, you got 3 screws in the bottom, 3 screws here. You get all them out, you can pull this right off of there and get you a new one, and which I did. I've ordered it. It's coming in by Monday. This is a Friday. So when it gets here, I'm gonna put that thing back together, just in the opposite of the way I took it off. Just put this up in there, stick it in there, and put the screws to it. Make sure you put the key in it. But first off, get your battery cable unhooked out there, because you don't want that thing dinging around or anything. It'll upset a few things. So make sure you stick the key in, but don't turn it until after you stick it in there. And then once you get it all the way, just turn that key over to on and back off. And then close it all back up, put your shields back around it and everything, and hit the starter and watch it go. This is the old Adventure. Adventure has purpose, and this is part of it right here. So If you enjoyed my video, give me a like, give me a comment, and share it. I have not asked too many people to, to subscribe or anything, but if you like what I do here, and some of my other adventures where I go out to small towns and big cities and small cities, all out through the country and everywhere else. I appreciate y'all if you're following me around. It's the Adventures Begin Here. I changed the name over now. It's Adventures Have Purpose. So this is one of the purposes that I do. So that's the reason I named it that. Appreciate you guys. Catch me later.